Hi, my name is Danielle Schaberg. I'm a detective with the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department's Juvenile Division. And today we're going to talk about gun locks. Very simple cable locks that can be installed on pretty much any weapon you may have in your home. So we're going to do a quick little demonstration. The first thing you want to do is remove any magazine that may be in your weapon and check to make sure that it's completely empty. Once you are confident that your weapon is secured, go ahead and lock the slide to the back. With the slide to the back, you're going to take one end of the cable lock, insert it through the magazine well, up through the top of the slide, and then connect the cable down here, leaving the key in while you do so. Give a little twist to the key, pull it out, and now the weapon is secured. It's unable to be fired. You can't introduce a magazine into the magazine well. And even if the slide were to close, you see that it can't close all the way, so the pistol is pretty much inoperable at this point. To take it off, you just keep your slide locked to the back, insert the key again, and keeping the key inserted, give it a little twist and a tug. There you go. Comes right back out, and then your pistol's ready to go. Now, in addition to working on a semi-automatic pistol, when we hand these out, we provide you with this little flyer here on installation, and you'll see that it can work not only on semi-automatic pistols, but it also works on shotguns, revolvers, and even bolt-action rifles. So this thing is pretty versatile, and it's a quick and easy way to make sure that your firearm is secured in the event that any kind of child or unwanted visitor were to get a hold of your weapon. You know that it's safe, or at least safer. Not at all. 100%. You saw how quickly the lock just undoes, cable's out. As soon as the cable's out, insert a magazine, and your weapon is ready to go. It would take you a few seconds, just like it would if you had it secured in a safe, or if you had to get out of bed to find it on top of like a closet where you think you might have it hidden. There's no such thing as a really hidden weapon when you have any children in the house. They can find anything. So I'd rather err on the side of caution with a couple of seconds of having to undo a gun lock than a child climbing up, finding a weapon, and having a tragedy happen. It's incredibly important. It is absolutely horrifying anytime any violence happens to a child, especially when it's something that could have been prevented with something as simple and free as a cable gun lock. I know that nobody ever wants to see anything tragic happen to a child, and everybody thinks this won't happen to me. And this gun lock is just a simple, free, and easy way to make sure that it doesn't happen in your home.